Hi vlog.
There. This under construction house. There.
Ano, ito yung mga pipino.
Hello. Oh. Pwede pala yung taniman dyan. No. So many. There are. Look. All about pipino. Can see. Pipino. Guys, see,
Mabubuhay ka na dito.
here in Panta, you can plant vegetable near
Side of
in the road, by the road. Diba, look guys,
Pag dito
vegetable.
ka nagtanim, marami kang kasama. Pag wala kami kumukuhang iba. Open to all.
But the local here are not alike naman in city. Yeah. They just get what they need. Oh, the creek.
Ha? Ayo, kanino? Ay, si Musasa. Oy. Kung unahan, mas marami kang kasama. Unahan ka tuloy. Saan ko tambal? Palis ka na. Ha? Oh.